You've just returned from an incredible trip, your pocket's a little lighter, but your phone's still showing a healthy balance on your YouTrip card. Or maybe you received a refund for that canceled tour, and now the money is sitting pretty in your YouTrip account. The question inevitably pops into your head, can I get this money out? Like, into my actual bank account? It's a common scenario, and one that trips up many YouTrip users. We love the convenience, the exchange rates, and the sheer simplicity of using YouTrip for overseas spending. But what happens when the travel is over, or plans change, and you need to access those funds in a more traditional way? Is it as straightforward as a few taps on your phone, or are there hidden hurdles to jump? Think about it. You've used YouTrip to pay for your gelato in Rome, your train tickets in Tokyo, and your souvenirs in London. It's been your trusty travel companion, seamlessly converting currencies and saving you from hefty bank fees. But unlike a traditional debit card linked directly to your bank account, YouTrip operates a little differently. It's a prepaid MasterCard, meaning you load money onto it before you spend. This distinction is crucial when we talk about withdrawals. Many users assume that because it holds your money, it must function like a regular bank account, allowing for transfers back and forth. You might even recall seeing options to top up your YouTrip card from your bank. So, it stands to reason, right? If money can go in, it should be able to come out. However, the world of prepaid cards often has its own set of rules, designed primarily for spending, not for banking. The reality of withdrawing money from your YouTrip card to your bank account is a question that comes up time and again in online forums and customer service queries. It's a point of confusion that we need to clarify, especially for those who might find themselves with an unexpected surplus on their YouTrip account. So, let's get to the heart of the matter. Can you directly transfer funds from your YouTrip balance to your personal bank account? The answer, in short, is no. YouTrip is not designed to function as a bank account from which you can initiate direct withdrawals or transfers to another bank. Its primary purpose is to facilitate cashless payments in foreign currencies and offer competitive exchange rates. This means you can't simply open the YouTrip app and find an option that says withdraw to bank. The platform is built around spending, not banking. Any funds you load onto your YouTrip card are intended for use with the card itself, whether that's online purchases, in-store transactions, or ATM withdrawals while abroad. However, that doesn't mean your money is trapped forever. There are indirect ways to access those funds if you absolutely need them in your bank account, but they involve using the card as it's intended, for spending. For instance, you could use your YouTrip card for everyday expenses until your balance is depleted, effectively freeing up funds in your regular bank account that you would have otherwise spent. Alternatively, if you are overseas, you can use your YouTrip card to withdraw cash from an ATM, though be mindful of ATM fees and daily limits. But a direct transfer to your personal bank account from within the YouTrip app is not an available feature. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.